Hey YouTube viewers, this is my 8-year-old African cockatiel. His name is Jack, and I think he has something he wants to say. Come on, Jack, say it. Come on. He's such a cute little bird. Should I just keep videotaping this?
Aww.
It's not gonna work. You have to do this. So sometimes when we knock on the glass, he hits his beak against the plastic. Yes, Jack? You said my name. Oh, you want to eat the leaves? This is my 8-year. Sometimes he's passive aggressive. Sometimes he's sometimes mean, sometimes not. He's not really mean to me. He's mean to other people. He doesn't like certain people. I'm not really sure if he likes my sister, but he does like her in a sense. As in every time he sees her, he won't stop whistling. Look at this. He gets all in her face. And he never pooped on her before. He poops on me a million times.
Oh god, he's getting closer.
I hear you could tell by their male, when they open up their wings like this, it looks like a heart. And it looks like a heart.
Hey dude, he's getting a little closer.
I know. And also the males
He's
don't
getting closer. Justin, my earring.
He's gonna bite your earring. Remember when he broke Jessica's necklace?
Yeah, remember when he hurt my earring?
Oh yeah, I remember when he flew away a couple times.
Yeah, and then he hit the billboard.
Yep. He likes cereal. He likes attention. He only likes attention that he chooses, as in, you can't just walk up to him. Alex, never approach him from above, remember. He doesn't like that. Well, I believe that concludes the video. Tune in next week for another video of Jack singing. Peace out.